This is the 2-post rack mount installation tutorial for Professional Rackmount UPS Series. This installation tutorial applies to all Professional Rackmount UPS models and their compatible extended battery modules. Important notice: before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, prepare the UPS unit. 2 rack mount brackets. 8 flat head screws. Power cords. BM cable. 2-post server rack. Hardware kit provided by the server rack. And a Phillips screwdriver with insulated handle. Install the 2 rack mount brackets onto both sides of the UPS using 4 flat head screws on each side. Then use the hardware provided by the server rack to secure the UPS onto the rack. Tighten 2 screws on each side. If the extended battery modules are not required, plug the power cord to the UPS and the utility grid. To complete the installation, press the power button and enter button to turn on the UPS. To use the extended battery modules for longer power backup, follow the same rack mount installation procedures. Remove the connector cover on the UPS by loosening the 2 screws. Connect the extended battery module connector plug into the battery connector socket of the UPS, making sure the connector colors correspond with each other. Then fix the connector plug to the UPS using the 2 screws of the connector cover. If more than one extended battery module is required, repeat the same procedures to connect them with one another. Use the short auxiliary power cord to connect the AC outlet of the first extended battery module to the AC inlet of the next one. Repeat this procedure to connect all extended battery modules. Plug the power cord to the AC inlet of the first extended battery module and to the utility grid. Plug the power cord to the UPS and the utility grid. For extended battery module management, connect the BM cable to the BM port of the UPS and to the BM port marked with "in" of the first extended battery module. Then, use another BM cable to connect the BM port marked with "out" of the first extended battery module to the BM port marked with "in" of the next one. Repeat this procedure to connect all extended battery modules. To complete the installation, press the power button and enter button to turn on the UPS.